Hey guys, welcome to my first vlog. This is my journey from Amritsar to Delhi. Here we are at Amritsar railway station. I'm going to Baku, Azerbaijan to attend Changemakers Summit. So yeah, मैं बहुत excited था to travel in Vande Bharat. So I thought let us book a train ticket rather than going for a flight. So our journey began, and this was Air AC chair car, and I bought this ticket for 1100 approx, and they served us a bottle and newspaper when we boarded the train. It started on time, precise on 8:20, and then we were served the tea pouch and the cookie, and then we were given एक भाई उन्होंने एक वार्म ग्लास दिया, उसमें हमें दे टू मिक्सचर चाय उसका मिक्सचर ही आता है, and it's good. I've heard really good about it. And then इसको मैंने मिक्स किया, and then we can यूनिबेक की कुकीज़ थी जो कि वो ओट्स डाइजेस्टिव वाली होती है ना वो. So आई वॉज रियली एक्साइटेड कि जो इंडिया की मोस्ट प्रीमियम ट्रेन है उसका एक्सपीरियंस कैसे होगा. इनिशियली अभी तक तो इट्स गोइंग गुड, एवरीथिंग इज़ ऑन टाइम, एंड स्टाफ इज़ रियली क्लीननेस का बहुत ध्यान रखा हुआ है. एज यू कैन यू मस्ट हैव सीन प्रॉपर ग्लव्स एंड वो हेड मास्क वगैरह लगाया हुआ, कवर किया हुआ था. एंड ट्रेन का स्टेबलाइजेशन भी ठीक था, जितना एक्सपेक्टेड था उससे थोड़ा कम था. लाइक थोड़ा लिक्विड एंड लाइक चाय एंड बॉटल थोड़ा शेक जर्क, थोड़ा बहुत जर्क था. एंड देन आई ट्राइड द टी. चीयर्स टू यू. एंड देन देयर आर 2 cookies in that small pouch, and enjoying my journey. We had 1 cookie, and then I'm going to taste it. देखिए कैसा लगता है. Let's see. It was good. It was good. Considering the fact that it was like, you can say that plane-like experience, it was good. And then train का असली मज़ा ही होता है. You can see the views, and जो बड़ी बड़ी windows थी, you can clearly see the greenery, and यही मज़ा होता है ट्रेन का in comparison to flights. You travel आराम से and you are able to see the scenic views. And then we had a river crossing bridge that was also very beautiful, and बहुत अच्छा लगा. And you can see, so then we were close to, I guess, Ludhiana. We were crossing Ludhiana, and then we were served the breakfast at around 10 o'clock, I guess 9:30, 10. And you can see that the service is really good, and like बार बार check in कर रहे हैं. They are very very polite and asking for the breakfast. So in the breakfast हमें क्या मिला, एक ब्रिटानिया की जो कुकीज़ होती हैं, and tops ketchup, tomato ketchup, and then a classic thing from Mother Dairy. And yeah, they also give like napkins and sanitizers, small sanitizers. So sanitation का proper ध्यान रखा है, साफ सफाई बहुत थी. And first we have, it was the cutlet. ठीक है, there are 2 cutlets in that serving, और इसके साथ था हमारे पास उपमा, या इसको उपमा बोलते हैं. सो या सो लेट अस सी, लेट्स ट्राई कैसा लगता है इनका ब्रेकफास्ट. ऑफ द टेस्ट, फर्स्टली ट्राइड द कटलेट. कटलेट्स was good. Cutlets were good. it is medium, not too much oily, and salts, and सही combination था taste का. And then I tried the upma. It was a bit sticky, ऐसे थोड़ा felt like, but it was warm. सब food was warm. And then I tried the upma. इसका मुझे taste थोड़ा bland लगा, मतलब really there was salt, I guess. और अदरवाइज़ मेरी मम्मा इससे ज़्यादा अच्छी बनाती है, I guess. So it was, I would rate it 8 of 10, 8 out of 10. Yeah. And then reached Jalandhar, I guess. No, yeah, it's Jalandhar. We reached Jalandhar. And I saw कि बहुत सारे स्टेशंस पे अपग्रेडेशन हो रहा है. इंडियन रेलवे इज़ रियली डूइंग गुड in terms of upgradation. It is a really long platform. Then I went to the washroom. You can see there's a hand sanitizer, a dryer. That's me. Then you see that cleanliness is maintained properly. And yeah, but the train was wobbling. बहुत disturbing था, मतलब इतना stable नहीं है. Considering the fact it's Salmon bullet train, or like India's first class train, थोड़ा stabilization was weak. And यहाँ पर automatic door होते हैं. You just press the button and they automatically open. So एक class है वंदे भारत में ना. You can experience a class. Then we were served our lunch just before deboarding the train. So it was about, I guess, 12:30, yeah, around 12:30. So then आप देख सकते हैं विंडोज़ पे वो you can blindfold folders होते हैं. अगर आपको सनलाइट ज़्यादा पड़ रही होगी, you can use that as well. So in the lunch we had fried rice firstly, and then they gave us dal. It was dal, and then we had paneer, matar paneer. It was matar paneer. और उसके साथ हमें और मिला था, yeah. Then we had bit of sabzi, that was mixed veg. आलू ही ज़्यादा थे वैसे तो. आलू गाजर मटर की सब्ज़ी थी, आलू ज़्यादा थे. और इसके साथ हमें मिला था ब्रेकफास्ट जैसे में दही मिला था क्लासिक्स का, मदर डेयरी से. दैन स्टार्टेड विद लंच. और इसके साथ हमें टॉप्स का अचार मिला था, नैपकिन्स एंड सैनिटाइजर्स जैसे में ब्रेकफास्ट मिला था. एंड देन अ क्यूट सॉल्ट पाउच एंड चपाती थी, वो एलुमिनियम फॉइल में उन्होंने अच्छे से रैप करके दी थी. Lunch was good. I liked the sabzi and everything. Then we were served ice cream दी थी डेजर्ट में उन्होंने. So it was good overall experience. तो फूड में ब्रेकफास्ट वगैरह, टी एंड लंच, मतलब आपका पेट भर जाएगा. You need not to like have breakfast in the morning. 8:20 पे ट्रेन शुरू होती है. Just board the train and you're good to go. They will have good amount of food. So and the taste was also good. And that really nice Lena ice cream. Then I reached Delhi railway station on time at 1:20. My journey was complete, and then I booked a cab through Ola to visit the Khan Market. So next vlog will be the streets of Delhi at Khan Market. I'm going to an exciting place. लिटरेचर लवर्स को बहुत पसंद है, जिनको बुक्स में इंटरेस्ट है. नेक्स्ट व्लॉग विल बी अबाउट that place. And गर्मी बहुत ही, Delhi is गोले भर, गर्मी के गोले बरस रहे थे. It was too hot in April maybe, so it was too crowded. And yeah, it is Delhi, and just 6 hours of journey, and that's, I'm going to the Khan Market. So please like, share and subscribe for the new exciting travel vlogs.